What's going on, guys? Today we're about to get into how you can get paid just to write. As you can see on the screen, we have Listverse.com. It's a site that I talked about in one of my YouTube Shorts videos where you can write and get paid. Before we get into that, let's go to the home page and let's see what they have on the site already before we get into the details of how much they pay, how you can get paid, and the qualifications to write these lists. Now, as you can see on this home page, they have quite a variety of top 10 things that they want you to write, because they want you to write something that's in the top 10. It can't be more, but it cannot be less than top 10. They have a bizarre section, they have an entertainment section with all these subcategories in each one: entertainment, general knowledge, lifestyle, science, society, and they also have a more page, which is what we're going to check just as. But as you can see, we scroll down, there's a top 10 incredible smells, top 10 defensive mechanisms, 10 incredible facts. Each page has a top 10 things, so you're going to have to come up with something that's probably going to be unique that they don't already have in order to get paid from the site. Now, for me, that's going to, when you look at that, it's going to make it a little bit more difficult to make $100 every hour like some of the videos show. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to make that. You're probably going to be kind of make at least $100 a day, and that's going to be if you can come up with something unique, something different and creative that they don't have on the site already, depending on what you send in. Now let's go ahead and see what they have here. The qualifications: write and get paid, and you get paid $100. Okay, it's been an update since April the 5th, 2022. Do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you, readers who didn't have any experience as writers but decided to put a list together and send it in. So here is the deal: we'll pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, and sense of humor, and a love for things usual or interesting. I don't think you have to need a sense of humor to come up with these lists. I think that's probably going to be for something else, but I don't think you have to be funny. It works like this: you write your list, 10 items per list minimum, as I said. You send it in, and then they reply and let you know, and they'll say, great, we'll publish it, and they'll send you $100 by PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you're gonna have to open up a PayPal account. It's not hard to do at all. Just make it easy and free. And they'll reply and say sorry if they don't like the article, if they already have one. This isn't the sort of thing our readers would love. Give it another shot. So they actually encourage you to write another article if they don't like the first one that you send. Just remember, your list should be at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry. Now, I would probably have to ask them what they mean per total list. Probably not what they're saying. I would guess they want you to write this is not really clear on that. You have to write at least 1 paragraph on each number on the list, because it just says, just remember your list must be at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry. Thinking per entry, that would mean the entire list, but I think they would probably want you to write about to give at least a paragraph on each one of the subjects in the 10 or more items that you have on your top 10 or more list. Either way you win, your list will be read by us and reviewed, and if it's amazing, it will appear on the front page of Listverse to be read by millions of people a month. It says we cannot accept lists from writers who do not have a PayPal account. This is non-negotiable. If PayPal doesn't support your country, please do not request alternative methods of payment. So they're telling you right there, if you're not in the country that accepts PayPal, please don't send in a submission, because they're only paying by PayPal, and they're not doing any negotiations on that part. Okay, let's go back. Here are the rules. The rules are really simple. As long as your list, and we mean yours, don't steal stuff. It's 1 or 2 paragraphs per item, so they give it a little bit more clarity right here. So they do want you to do 1 or 2 paragraphs per item, and you can choose any topic you like. We also need you to link to reputable sources. See section 7 of our author guide for more details. So now they're asking you for a source, and I would say you can probably be pretty good at sourcing Wikipedia, or I'm listening to ask you if you got your information from 10 different websites, to sort those websites, and they'll let you know whether or not they're going to accept those as sources or not. Or you can just go and click on and read the author guide, as they say, for more details. And says, so we can actually verify the facts of what you're saying. Just remember, if it's good enough to publish by our standards, you get $100 for that. Now, that's the thing that's going to be a little bit more difficult. It's going to be hard to do every single day. To make it just $100 a day, you're going to have to come with something unique, different that they won't already have on their site. It's going to be a little bit more challenging. I'll be honest with that. It's going to be a little bit more challenging to do that. So I would probably say you can probably submit 1 article per day if you find a list, which is really hard to do with Google and with these AI tools that we have. That can kind of help you and kind of help to jog your memory to give you some ideas on what you can write and send in. And And as they said, they're probably not going to approve everything, but the ones that they do approve, you're going to get paid $100 per list that you come up with. So if you send in one a day, you send in 7 per week, and you only get 2, that's still $200 per week for writing, which would be probably $800 a month. Which if you're doing it part-time, it'll still be a pretty decent amount. If you're doing it full-time, you can probably send in like 2 or 3 a day and see if they'll approve those. But I would say it's going to take a little bit longer with the research that's going to be involved, because they're going to want links to everything that you speak to verify that it's just something that they're trying to make send it in. I also says to help out with some ideas, the list that are really love the most, and the ones we like the favorite ones that are offbeat and novel. They start looking at something normal in an unexpected way. So it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna have to be something that's gonna be a little different and gonna be creative. Ways college makes you dumb. Kind of giving examples. For example, unsolved mysteries, hidden knowledge, things most people don't know, misconceptions, and just really astonishing general knowledge about anything. Science, for example, what we don't want to see, or a list on sports, self-help, personal stories, or gaming. We don't publish opinion lists. But they're telling you right now what they do not accept, which is sports lists, self-help, personal stories, or gaming. There's one more thing. If you have a blog, a Twitter account, or a book you want to promote, mention it in the submission form, and we will stick it at the bottom of the list. That's something else that they can do if they do decide that they will use your list. And you have a book or a Twitter account that you want to promote, they can also put that at the bottom of the article. A little bit of self-promotion. If you have a website or something else you want to promote, that will be something that you can also include and get more traffic to your social media account if they do approve that account. Now let's go up here. It says pictures and videos. When you send in your list, you don't need to include images or videos. Our team of editors does a great job selecting them. So that's a good thing to know. You don't have to submit any pictures or videos. Just send in the topics. You send in the top 10 list, and they'll take care of the rest. Ready to start? Just head over to the submissions form and get writing. Here we go. You just go to submit a list. You're gonna leave your name. I'm just gonna do this kind of quickly to kind of give an example. That's the username I can use, your email address, and this is probably going to be one that you use. It's probably going to be your the one you use for PayPal. So put your PayPal email there. Is what I would suggest. You don't have to put anything there. I will leave that one blank. In your top 10 list, and I kind of looked up one to try to find a few before I started. So it's just examples, because they wanted something that's a little bit different and offbeat. Top 10 is different. For top 10, the top 10 most wanted videos that's a little bit different. Let's see, probably 2 anyways. 10 most wanted history. It's probably something that's a little bit unique, but there was no way. This probably, like they said, they don't post opinion pieces, so this one may not get approved. Let's see. Capital violence. This is probably something that's not going to be an opinion, but it's probably something that you can still send in and try to see if they will approve it and pay for it. Like if you have a capital violence event, you can say the top 10 most violent capital, or top 10 mysteries of capital violence, or you the top 10 terrorist attacks in the country, the top 10 terrorists in the world, something like that. What they did, you kind of get that. This is from the FBI, so this is the most wanted from the FBI list. U.S. capital violence. And you can just go through this and kind of pan through and pick out the things that you rate as the top 10. The top 10 most violent acts. Just to find the acts that were committed, what they were, the state pipelines in D.C., and the amount of people that were harmed. You can make that one of the top 10 lists. So there's ways you can do it, but all they really want is a top 10 list. They want at least a paragraph on each one of your top 10 lists. And they'll take care of the video, and they'll take care of the images for you. So that's just a way that you can make money with this particular video, this particular make money side hustle. And also, after you finish that, it says 1,500 to 2,000 words maximum. You press agree, you press submit, and then there you just wait for them to approve or deny your list, and that's it. If you have any more questions, or if you want to know anything else, I'm also going to leave the link down below in the description for the shorts video. I'm also going to leave links for other things that I mentioned in the video. If you want to check out jasper.ai, there'll be a link in the video for that. And that's it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you like the video. If you hate the video, if you want more videos just like this, let me know in the comment section. I'm out.